I decided to cook. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing absolutely fine. Okay, so today I'm making fresh cream chicken. This is the easiest and the most yummiest chicken for a cheat day and something that is so easy to make. So let's go, and yeah, you can note this recipe for another cheat day of yours. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and comment your thoughts below, and let's go. Right, so all you need is butter. This is going to be really fatty, so beware. Okay, anyway, so there are 4 pieces of chicken here. Fine, well chopped onions, some garlic, and some dry mirchi. Also, I have some cream here and some oil as well. So let's get started. And yes, start by adding a brick of butter right in. And with that, you take your onions. I've taken 2 onions basically, and they go in, and a little oil, of course, because butter can't be enough. So yeah, little oil should be fine. Say 1/3 of oil and 3/4 of butter should be good. Saute the onions well up until the butter melts and the onions start to cook well. The onions are pretty much done, and from here we add the garlic. So that's your garlic, and you add that nicely. This is about 1 garlic, and this is for 4 pieces of chicken, so go accordingly. And 1 minute. That's done, and again we are going to mix it nicely. Okay, that's done. Okay, so from here we put in the pieces of chicken. So what you're going to do with the chicken is that you have to do some cuts in between so that the masala gets inside the chicken. So one by one you put the chicken in, and be kind to the chicken now. This is the 4th piece, and that's pretty much okay. The final stage is, before I put the cream in, is these dried mirchis. I have to break them in and put them in, and I use 3. Depending on how much spice you can take, you can add accordingly. Okay, now you add the salt to taste. I put about 3/4 of teaspoon, and you also add some lal mirch, again 3/4 spoon, and that's pretty much well done. And then you put the fresh cream. So fresh cream is something you put about 3/4 of it and leave 1/4 for later. Yeah. Okay, so this is how it will look. You have to mix it properly, and then add the lid to the cooker and let it cook until 2 CTs. Okay, now you put the lid in after you mix it properly and wait for it to cook until 2 CTs are done. That's when you know the chicken is cooked properly, and make sure it's left on. This is a little tough. Okay, make sure it's left on medium flame, and yes. Okay, so 2 CTs done. Time to open the lid. Okay, just kidding. After it's open, the rest of the cream needs to go in, and that's pretty much, and you need to mix it properly. Get to see a residue of butter on the top, but don't worry about that. Once you mix it, it will look like this. Sorry for the angles. Okay, so pretty much it'll look like this, and yes. So now all you have to do, and the last and the final thing on the thing, is garnish it with some lemon. So you take 1 exact lemon for this amount of chicken and the pieces, and that's pretty much what it is. And yes. I hope you enjoyed this fun and quick recipe, and do try it at home and let me know what you thought about it. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and you can always comment your thoughts and more exciting stuff in the comment section. And I will see you next week.